Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making macaroni salad, simple and delicious. So as per usual, let's get straight to the recipe. I'm going to start by cooking the macaroni. So make sure that you cook this based on the direction on your package. I'm using roughly half of a 16-ounce pack, so about 8 ounces. Once this cooked, just drain the liquid and set it aside to fully cool. You can speed up the process by adding some cold water, but I just allow mine to sit for a while to cool. So while the macaroni cool, let's make the sauce. I'm adding some vegan mayo and you can use whatever brand of your choice, alright? Here I added some celery seeds, just a dash. Honestly, I eyeball this recipe. Sometimes you just have to go with the flow and taste as you go along, alright? I also added some black pepper and I'm also going to add about a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Once your macaroni cool, add it to your sauce, mix it up nicely, and you just make yourself some delicious macaroni salad. The longer you have this sit and chilled before you serve, the flavors will come together even better. So I'm going to cover and allow this to chill in the refrigerator overnight. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try and enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you do. And until next time, bless upon yourself.